Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asyrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajma'in. Okay, first of all, I would like to say thank you for all of the examiners, and then for my beloved supervisor, that's Ma'am Diana MPD, and all of the audience that watch this video. Okay, in this occasion, I would like to present my thesis by the title An Analysis of Students' Reading Comprehension in Report Text at VACATIONAL TARUNA masmur pekanbaru. Okay, we move to the background of the problem. In this research, for the background of the problem, I focus on the reading and the reading comprehension. For the reading, I took the theories from Mikulaki and Jeffers in the year 2018. They state the importance of reading, such as reading helps us learn to think in the new language, and then reading helps us build a better vocabulary, and then reading make us more comfortable with written English. And for reading comprehension, I took the theory from Nuttall 1982 in Saraswati 2021. Suggests that there are 5 reading aspects that must be mastered by the students. For the first one, the students must be able to determine the main idea of the text, and then find specific information provided in the text, and then make reference, identify reference, and understand the meaning of the word or detailed information. Okay, next is about the phenomena that I found in reading comprehension of the students. There are some phenomena. There were the first one in some of the students got difficulty in finding the details of the text, and then some of the students got difficulty in finding the main idea, and then some of the students got difficulty in understanding vocabulary, and then some of the students got difficulty in identifying inference, and some of the students got difficulty in making inference of the text, and then some of the students got difficulty in retelling or in transferring the information of the text. And I focus and I limit and focus my thesis on analyzing students' reading comprehension in report text at VACATIONAL TARUNA masmur pekanbaru. And next, after I focus my problem, I would like to formulate my problem as how is students' reading comprehension at VACATIONAL TARUNA masmur pekanbaru, and the objective of my research is to know how the students' reading comprehension in report text at VACATIONAL TARUNA masmur pekanbaru. Okay, for the indicator, I took the indicator for my research from King and Stanley 1999 in C 2015. The indicator were the first one, students are able to find the main idea of the report text, and then students are able to find the factual information of the report text, and then students are able to identify the meaning of vocabulary of the report text, and then students are able to identify reference of the report text, and the last is students are able to making inference of the report text. Okay, for my research design was descriptive quantitative research. According to Subana 2005, descriptive quantitative research concludes facts, situations, and then variable phenomena that happen in the time and present reality. It means I took this research design based on the phenomena that related to my variable. For time and location, this research was conducted on October until November 2021 at Vocational High School Taruna Masmur Pekanbaru, and then the object of this research was the 10th grade of students at Vocational High School Taruna Masmur Pekanbaru, and the object of this research was an analysis students reading comprehension in report text at Vocational High School Taruna Masmur Pekanbaru. And for the population of this research was the 10th grade students at Vocational High School Taruna Masmur Pekanbaru. There is one class and consists of 18 students, and the sample of the research was used the total sampling technique. For technique of data collection, this research was used as an instrument. According to Brown 2004, TAS is a method of measuring person's ability, knowledge, or performance in given domain. And during this pandemic COVID-19, the researcher used the Google form to collect the data, and then the researcher gave the link of Google form to the students in WhatsApp group, and the test consists of 25 questions, and then the student asked to answer the questions about reading comprehension in report text. And then the technique of the data analysis. The data in this research was analyzed by using descriptive analysis. This research used SPSS 17 version to analyze the data. The question consists of 25 items. The point for each correct answer was 4 and 0 for the incorrect answer. And then to know each student's score individually, the formula is M equals X per N times 100, where M is the individual score, X is the correct answer, and N is the number of item text. To calculate each level of the task, the formula is P equals F per N times 100, where P is the percentage and then F is the frequency of score by the students, and then N is the total number of samples. For the result of my thesis, it is to answer my formulation of the problem. That's how is students reading comprehension in report text at Vocational High School Taruna Masmur Pekanbaru. It can be shown that no one students at the very high category, and there were 7 students in high category, and then there were 7 students at the enough category, and then there were 3 students at the low category, and the last is there was 1 student at the very low category. Okay, based on what have been discussed, it can be drawn the conclusion that students reading comprehension in report text at Vocational High School Taruna Masmur Pekanbaru is at the enough level category. In the other word, the students reading comprehension in the report text still sufficient. It means the students are still confused in comprehend the report text. Okay, I think that's all. Sorry for my mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.